Okay, it is May 11th, 2018, and in this video I'm going to show an audio enhancement that I've made to Dexter that'll improve basically the sound you can hear right now. Hear that fuzzy hiss sound when I put my camera up to the speakers? It's currently happening when Dexter is not playing audio. See, if I'll start a game and start a two-player game so you can see some contrast.
There's Bor's ship.
You cannot win.
Okay.
There's Bor's ship.
You cannot win.
Hear that?
You cannot win.
So now I'm going to perform the update. I'm going to perform the update and then do a comparison, and hopefully we'll be able to notice a big difference. Okay. Let's see if this works. So there is a message that says it's going to reboot, which is normal for this type of update. Now it's having trouble syncing. There we go. Whew. So now Dexter is updating its SD card with the new files that are on the USB drive. Oh, firmware update. Didn't realize I wasn't up to date on my own Dragon's Lair cabinet. Probably gonna have to reset the game because I didn't expect it to do a firmware update. And of course I have my cabinet closed, so I'll just power cycle it. I just fixed a bunch of wiring problems for the power in my cabinet, and I was so pleased with myself that I closed the cabinet, so now I can't get in and press the red reset button. Alright. I can hear a pretty big difference. I mean, I hear some hum, but it's not the static hiss that I was hearing before. It's more like the hum of old analog hardware. So let me start a two-player game.
There's Bor's ship.
You cannot win.
Yeah, it's much quieter now.
There's Bor's ship.
So yeah.
You cannot win.
So I would say this update helps if you've been bothered by if you've been bothered by the hiss sound when the Laserdisc audio is supposed to be silent, then this update is for you. So I definitely recommend you try it. Now speakers sound so good,
I'm just kidnapped by aliens,
even
that's
though they're,
all.
I'll save you,
what,
Kimmy.
Get me out of here!
35 years old. Still sound really good.
Star Pack, request permission to land. Aha! Borf is here.
Alert. Unidentified personnel on level 1.
Whoa! Ah!
Seal all exits to level 1.
Whoa! Whoa!
Dexter! Get me out of here!
Alert.
Whoa! Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Kimmy!
Beware your dark side.
Whoa! Whoa! What? Ooh!
Dexter!
No! Yikes! Kimmy! What?
Dexter! Dexter, you're late.
Call me Ace, huh? Hop on.
Thanks, I'll walk. Dexter, the Infanta ray is about to be fired at Earth.
Call me Ace, huh? Where's the ray located?
You cannot win.
Oh no. Alright. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.